सो हाय एवरीबॉडी, दिस इज शशांक कासरीवाल। और सूत्रास के अंदर जाने से पहले हम थोड़ा सा देखेंगे कि माइंड काम करता कैसे। अब आप इमेजिन करें, आप आराम से बैठे हैं और आपको एकदम से खराब लगना शुरू हो जाता है। क्या कभी आपने सोचा है ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है? अधिकांश समय हम जब खराब महसूस करते हैं तो हम परिस्थितियों को दोष देते हैं, हम लोगों को दोष देते हैं। हम कहते हैं कि हमारे पास वो सारी चीज़ें जो होना चाहिए वो है नहीं, और हमें लगता है कि अगर वो सारी चीज़ें हमारे पास आ जाएंगी तो शायद हमें अच्छा लगने लग जाएगा। पर उन लोगों से पूछें जिनके पास ये सारी चीज़ें थी, क्या उनको अच्छा लगता है? नहीं लगता है। लगता है तो वो दारू नहीं पीते रोज, अपनी इतनी जिंदगियों से भागते नहीं, शहर छोड़ छोड़ के जाते नहीं। अधिकांश लोगों को ऐसा लगता है कि वो अपने मन में, अपने विचारों में अगर जाएंगे तो वहां पर कैद हो जाएंगे, और उससे बाहर निकलने के लिए वो ये सारी चीजें करते हैं।
So, what actually happens is, I'll give you an example. Imagine that you are in your office and your boss comes from the other side, and you can also imagine your wife coming, your parents coming, your friends coming, or anybody with whom you are having a showdown. That is, continuously there is an interaction about those people in your mind happening all the time. Yeah. So you're in the office, the boss comes from that side, and somehow your attention is somewhere else and you don't look at him. You are looking at the right hand side and he's on the left hand side, and you totally miss him. What happens? Nothing. So imagine a second scenario where your boss is coming from the other side and you are coming from the other side, and you look at the boss. So there is a contact. There is a contact with the boss, that is your attention sees the boss through your eyes, and all of a sudden there are sensations in the body. When there are sensations, you perceive whether this is a threatful situation or not. So if the sensations are negative, that is, you're perceiving it in a threatful manner, you will automatically start feeling nervous, irritated, maybe a little frustrated, and out of that frustration, now you wish your boss, or maybe you try to ignore him. So, this is the mind cycle which is happening on an automated mode, and it happens throughout the day with all the situations and conditions. So, basically, who we are is working on an automated mode, like a robo, like a puppet, where the buttons are pressed and we start dancing to the tunes of irritation, frustration, anger, jealousy. So now imagine you are at home doing nothing, but your thoughts are bombarding all the time. So all the situations that are unhandled in your mind, they keep popping up because that's the function of the brain. It keeps giving us situations and circumstances and incidences which we have not handled properly. So they keep on going on in the mind, and the mind wants you to handle it. Now, who you is the one that we want to find out. Who you are is the one that we want to find out. And that one is what our consciousness is, the one who witnesses, the one, it can be termed as soul, it can be termed as chetna, it can be termed as awareness, jagrukta, and there are so many names to it. So basically what we're trying to say is that we want to get out of the automation of the mind's working.
The moment there is a contact, your memory associates that contact with a past memory. That is, your boss scolded you 2 days back. And now a desire comes that you don't want to be scolded, you want to protect yourself. The moment the desire comes, your mind starts suggesting ways to avoid your boss and the perceived threat that he will scold you, shout you, or whatever he's going to do to get away from it. So this whole process of the mind gives us stress because the mind is all the time keeping us prepared to evade, to survive the threat that it perceives. So how does it work? आप एक दुकान में गए, आपने एक शर्ट देखी, आपने शर्ट देखी, कांटेक्ट हुआ, आपने परसीव किया ये शर्ट आपको कैसी लगी, अच्छी लगी, खराब लगी। जैसे ही वो शर्ट आपने परसीव की कि आपको अच्छी लगी, डिजायर उत्पन्न हुई इन द फॉर्म ऑफ थॉट्स, आई वॉन्ट दिस शर्ट। जैसे ही डिजायर उत्पन्न हुई, विकार उत्पन्न होने लगे कि ये शर्ट आप ले पाएंगे या नहीं ले पाएंगे। अगर नहीं ले पाएंगे तो गुस्सा उत्पन्न हुआ, लालच आया, लोभ आया, अहंकार उत्पन्न हुआ, मैं कैसे नहीं लूंगा, और आपके मन में तकलीफ होने लगी। अब जैसे ही हमें पता चल गया कि जब भी हम किसी चीज को देखते हैं, अगर हमारा ध्यान वहां है और हमारे कंट्रोल में है हमारा ध्यान, तो हमें वो चीज तकलीफ नहीं दे सकती।